Oh, perfect. I'm not inside. I'm alive. Oh no, you got a gas mask on, man. Fucking fire, man.
I got an incendiary and a frag.
Just run through it.
Hoorah! 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 Go! 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 Ah! Shit! 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 Alright, it's in here. Reloading. Alright, I'm gonna. Oh, you guys got it.
Yeah.
Yep. There's an extra one on it. There we go. Oh, watch the suicide bomb. Yeah. Oh, did we lose anybody? I think we lost one. Yeah, we lost one.
Oh no.
Yeah, we definitely lost one or two.
Bees over here. It's where I don't see it either.
Yeah, drop down. Oh my god, behind you, Juggernaut! Shoot his bitch ass! Shoot him! Shoot him! Thank you. Alright, we got this. We got this. Lock in. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it.
One of history's most legendary.
Let's go straight and go up the stairs.
The knights tell this the story of the war. He doesn't just see a body out. He sees lost land, a late night, and burns to a halt. Thankfully, he has the experience of a driver on his way, and has a ranger on his side. Bring it.
Let him up, boys. Let him up. Let him up. Frag out. Frag out. Be careful. Watch. I'm throwing a nade.
I did.
Alright, let's move up.
Frag out.
Yep.
Stairs, down the stairs.
Is it downstairs?
At least they're
or
talking.
up here? I'm going down. Hope.
Right over in that room, ain't it?
Downstairs.
It's up. No, it's up. It's up. It's up.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Right here. Yeah, I think it's up here. Yep. Yep. Just cover him while he's pointing.
Fucking crazy.
Alright, it's clear. Watch out. Keep behind cover.
Watch free national and local news on
Hell yeah. Alright, go back down the hallway we just came.
We've got you covered every step of the way. Your news, your app. Delivery
It's
drivers
either downstairs or upstairs. I'm not too sure.
our communities. But sometimes that means delivering it. It can be tricky to navigate. I mean, light a path for deliveries. We take and receive.
I know it's downstairs. Oh, what? I didn't know you died. You died in the dark corner. I thought you killed. Hey, is he a big guy?
theories surrounding the mysterious Holy
These motherfuckers screaming.
Grail is an ancient
So the theory goes that the stone was once the precious sacred object that had usually touched. But once the Celts were Christianized, that stone falls into the hands of the Christians.
There's a train until the stone reappears in a 12th century text called Tarzan.
Securing Charlie!
Author Wolfram von Eschenbach.
Yo, is anybody else up? Oh, we got one on. Alright, I'm coming to you. I'm just held on the staircase right now. Me and you, fella.
Is captured by the Christians, that's taken to the
You got a mic?
in Jerusalem, where it started.
Knock it out. We got like a mag left right now.
During the Crusades.
Run to the fucking fire, dude.
Temple Knights become obvious, most famous and it doesn't matter. There's attention and their execution reputation. So first on
Wanted to get extra ammo, man.
for example, the other side, execute them. They're that thing. Because of this reputation, the wide their business
Yeah.
to execute.
And they acted like they was fucking brand new, yeah.
Grab your gear! Hey, changing mags!
The Templars set their headquarters on Jerusalem's Temple Mount, the source of their name.
Let's go! This is where the famed King Solomon built his temple 2,000 years before the Crusades. Temples get a lot more than the name. Application.
You let me die again. I ain't playing with you no more.
I got our ass. You guys, big point.
Yeah. Yeah. As soon as you said I'm dead, he exploded. And I died. Yeah.
Hold on!
I blame you.
Okay.
Yeah, said the person who's dead before me. His orbital lobe exploded out your fucking eyeball. Yeah, it would have exploded if it didn't. You're using an MP5, dude. Reload. Jesus. Please just fucking blow it up.
Okay, I'm on Alpha!
Most poets in the Middle Ages had a concept. And von Eschenbach's patron was a man by the name of Count von a German knight, and he fought in the Crusades alongside the Templar.
Von Eschenbach supplements Count Hermann's first-hand accounts with extensive research.
Also goes to a Moorish library in Toledo, where he absorbs everything that he can about the Knights Templar. Wolfram is writing anything in fiction.
Within a few decades of parsimony, the trail of the stone goes cold. On Friday, October 15th, 1907, the Knights Templar are brutally disbanded.
The 15th felt before us, and it actually made significant gap with the forces just to remove their authority, to seize their assets. Some of them are executed, the other brutally. Others are removed from the order of the temple and moved to other orders.
And their great wealth, including perhaps the gravestone, ultimately disappears.
If there was a gravestone in the Templar's treasures, as Eschenbach says it was, it could have gone to the French kings, could have gone to the Pope, but it wouldn't be clear where it had gone.
So the stone disappears, and the story of the stone, Lapis Exilis, Holy Grail, also disappears. People stop reading. I have it's not just shit about the.
I mean, wait, that's too bad. Because we could rather find the stone for all this pollinate. It's imagine she needs immortality sitting in the story troop somewhere or in who knows where. All thanks to a case of mistaken identity.
Theories. Two different objects. Of which one?
Where the fuck is everyone?
And basically, anyway,
That is. When a shocking new theory on the trail. What if the Holy Grail isn't physical?
Yes. They died, man. I want to tell you. I was next to the bomb over there, and the suicide bomber ran out. After I watched one teleport to kill two teammates. Who knows? There's a window there, I think.
Good try, good try. Alright. Oh, we got it next round.
The what? Yeah, you could hear them.
This time, should go a little bit better.
The Nether. If they get their way, this beautiful
I'll
world
tickle
will
your
begin
toes.
a withering die.
Everybody tells them that.
Just what I needed.
Ooh.
Facilities are focused on safety and
I feel
quality
so
of life.
fat with this US
Small
12 with the
things
drum
like
bag. I'm
river
not
lights
gonna lie. I got the Philly juice, boys, cover me. Tactical Philly juice break. Alright, I'm back.
Yo, hey, I'm loading up.
with low prices, still alive. These wells are less.
$2,000 years on what the Holy Grail is and could be. A new theory emerges in 1982,
They're an
and it's
incendiary.
a
Lock the door.
bombshell. A team of British researchers published the best-selling book, The Holy Blood and the Holy Grail, which makes a bold claim. The Holy Grail isn't an object at all. The author's theory dates back to the Middle Ages, and it begins
Oh, I lost my kid.
when medieval manuscripts refer to the Holy Grail, they call it Sangria.
The term appears in writings beginning in the 12th century, with authors like Chrétien de Troyes and Robert de Gourou.
You've got a word that's already a combination in its etymology. You have sound, sanctus, Latin for bone, and you have
I'm behind you to the left a little bit. I think this is you. Yeah. I can't see because of flashes. I seen somebody shoot him in the leg. Good try. He shot him right in the fucking leg before he exploded.
Hard left. Just
Yeah,
be
he
ready.
does everything. Couldn't tell you, man. I have one on mine, yeah. It definitely fucking helps.
Watch. Oh, my god, back up. Oh my god, get out of there. You crazy. Oh my god, you crazy.
He's using the game. Yeah.
I'm going in, boys. I'm going in. Charge! Alright, I'm playing. Just cover me.
Is it possible?
I'm reloading.
Watch each other's backs and watch me.
The secret family of Jesus for millennia?
That RP cares
Alright, go
about
back
him.
where we came. I'm gonna blow it. Let's give it a sec. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Team's back in. Hell yeah. Alright, I gotta hit this resupply. I need my gear back. Get your gear back, fellas.
Yeah, I tried to help you, but
Hell yeah. Put that night vision on. Hell yeah. Alright, downstairs we go, fellas. Come on. Let's get this shit. Let me take point. Don't go in front of me.
Might not end there.
Yeah, eat that shit. Push that out, nigga. Alright, I'm reloading. Push up a little bit. We just gotta hold this shit down.
According to the text, the Crocodile Theon is a secret organization that's existed since at least 10 illustrious Leonardo da Vinci and Sir Isaac Newton.
Hold this shit down. No, never mind. Alright, I think we gotta go upstairs. Yeah, alright. Back upstairs, fellas. Come on. You're coming through over here. Yep, come on.
no.
Hell yeah. Let's ride.
Push away the story of the bloodline of Jesus.
Could this be true?
We might need to go up to the next floor, to be honest with you. I'm not too sure, unless it's like the primary.
Here's the next floor.
Yeah. Everybody come up. We got you. Come on, upstairs.
The Priory of
I
Sion
got you guys.
isn't created in 1099 AD. It was created in 1956.
If you want to try and clear him, go for it. It's
Despite
up to
the
you.
long list of famed members it claims, it's actually the work of a French author.
We're about here.
A lot of me.
Alright, we're here. Alright, hold this shit down. I got him.
will come forward and say, oh, wait. Just because the Pirate of Sion is a hoax doesn't mean that Jesus and the bad people
Theory continues to inspire stories about the world today, including the Da Vinci Code. But there's another Mary Magdalene, its center. And
Hit that man 3 times.
Is it up top or is it down below?
This hole over here below.
Alright, bet. I'm with you. I got your ass, I got your 6. I'm with you. Yep. Any frags or... Oh, watch!
That's why I did that aiming for you. He didn't die though.
There we go. Yeah. Watch! Hell yeah. Alright, we gotta get that. Follow me, boys, follow me!
Where are they going?
Watch, they're gonna be here like heavy. I'm very fucking low on ammo right now.
Behind us on the stairs.
Very low on ammo. Someone else wants to take point. Yo, is there a way to combine ammo or not?
Not in this game, no.
Yeah, I figured there wasn't. It's been a while. Oh, I remember this point now. Okay, we just gotta hold this shit down. It's like basically a castle defense. Alright, resupply if you got to, gentlemen.
the enchanted stone.
I got one tapped. Okay. No idea. A guy ran out and just ran through me. You know it's just you, right?
The Gospels describe how she anointed Jesus' body with oil, and these came in a small scent jar.
My gun's out there if you need it. If you want to go get it is. It's a nice RPK with a full fucking mag. He was getting taller. He was growing. He was like, alright then, I'll grow. The AR 7090. Oh, so. I think about the way it shoots, the way it sounds. It always kicks up that way for some reason. Oh yeah, I play with him all the time. He's got it. He knows all the cheese spots. Well, that's not good. Ooh, that fucking high point. Not a browning. It's a lot of people there, fam. Hey, you been dead. Be quiet. Why is the fire guy scared of fire? He's already on fire. You can't be more on fire. You can't be more on fire. Or fire can't be more on you. Yeah, he does actually. I don't think he does anything like editing wise. He just posts his like videos. He don't edit or anything. I don't know actually. He's got more than me. How many subs you have?
Fucking hate you.
Oh, he died, you didn't.
I'm eating. You gave me time to eat. Thank you.
That's why I play with him all the time. He's good at that. I don't know. He was talking shit the entire time. I was like, oh, you're dead. Just be quiet in the peanut gallery. Nice.